Did you ever seen the texture making with the kitchen knife? Welcome back to my channel Ram Barkhane Arts. In this video, again I am using acrylic paints to create the texture and the first layer also. But the first layer of the golden color is made with the oil paints. Before a week, I have completed this. So let me start from the beginning. After drying this layer of the golden color in which I painted, actually I created some feather and the fruit like structures and some shapes, but these shapes are not perfect because I need to make them uh, slightly combined with the other layers, like it is just fade towards the dark tones. And now I'm applying black color to make a good sense of the shades and contrast, so that the glowing parts of this painting will glow very high. And I also love to combine the black, yellow, and golden colors. And in these paintings from last 2 months, I am using blue, the deep blue, uh, with black, and then I merge them all together for the negative space. In this painting, I will mix with the hand also, but before using hand I'm just making them a little light tones of the blue and the black colors. Right now I'm using flat brush, and the brushes are very soft, they are not so hard, so because I want some smooth textures, smooth layer of the colors on the canvas. And see, as always, an artist can relate this, actually incomplete paintings are more impressive than the finished work. I think I should start the unfinished paintings. If you like this idea, then please comment in the comment box, and I will do something like this, and I will use this idea. And I do not leave the painting without using my fingers and my hands and palm, because it creates, and and it connect the directly the emotions with the paintings. Let's do the second layer, and after that I can create the textures. So I'm taking the black color, and only black color with very thin layer, so I will add too much water uh, with this color, and I poured this over the canvas and just spreading and painting with the brush. And this is very small work, so I can use the brush. If you do the bigger painting, so use a roller or a palm, your hand, so it can finish in a very little time. This surface is wet, so I can use a paper, the newspapers, that is waste, but for me this is not waste, it can create some textures. Now this is the time to make the textures. So I am scratching with the help of my kitchen knife, and this is so simple, and I never used before the kitchen knife for the texture painting. So let's see how it will appear after completing this painting. This is interesting to use this, but the nails and the painting knife, they are comfortable for me. Actually I'm comfortable with that art materials, but in this painting I have used and just started, so let me finish and what I will get after some time, let's see. Before finishing this painting, please like, comment and share, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And see, this is final work, and I'm feeling very good. This is so beautiful. Actually, this painting is very good for luxury spaces. Stay tuned with Ram Barkhane Arts. Thank you. Bye.